Hi, Zach Pater here at River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport in Red Wing, Minnesota. What a beautiful boat to take you through today. This is going to be kind of fun. We're actually going to go out and run this boat out today with you. This is a brand new listing for us. This is a 32 Fountain Fever, a 2001, 500 EFI Blue motors in it. Absolutely amazing package, low 80-mile-an-hour boat, so it should be a lot of fun. We're going to take you through and give you a close look inside and out and take you for a ride. I think one thing everybody always notices on a fountain is their distinct look. And you watch this boat or take a look at this boat, whether it's from afar or down the dock, and you can absolutely tell it's a fountain. Take a walk down it here, you're going to see those beautiful stainless steel grab rails, amazing deck graphics up on the front of the boat. It does have the windshield set up as the Fevers do. We're going to jump inside here and take a closer look. Seating arrangement, very similar to what you'd expect out of a fountain. The two big bucket seats with the dropouts. Nice sound system. Beautiful aft sun pad with matching graphics. Big swim platform. More stainless grab rails. Color matched rails inside. And we'll take a closer look at some of the gauges and graphics as we get rolling here. You also notice that nice lay down carpeting. Overall, this boat is in absolutely beautiful condition. So let's keep taking a closer look. Alright, so we popped the engine hatch here, those beautiful 500 EFIs. Absolutely gorgeous blue motors in this boat, and we are going to fire them up and we are going to go for a ride here. They sound absolutely beautiful, and I think we're ready to go hit the water. Alright, so we are heading outside of the harbor here out of Red Wing. I tell you what, when you look out the front of this boat, it absolutely looks aggressive. This is that beautiful sight that people that really love performance boats and they love the style and distinct look of a fountain look for. And I tell you what, it is absolutely aggressive and beautiful looking. Take a closer look inside. You've got the standard doors that you're going to see on most 32 Fevers. Get a glove box over here with a nice grab handle. Got a cup holder down below that, and drop out bolsters, which are very nice and convenient, just making it more comfortable for that passenger with you. Take a closer look at the seats in the back of the boat. You can tell they're in great shape. No rips, no tears, nothing to that effect. Same goes for the big back sun pad in the back. Got the nice fountain logos there. The yellow grab rails, JL audio down below. Just a great setup. This boat does come with a Bimini top as well, and you got a cockpit cover, and then you got a full mooring cover. Take a look at some of the instrumentation on the boat. Gaffrig Gagues kind of layer the dash here, and yeah, at the end of the day, you've got a compass in the middle. You've got your RPM gauges, all your oil pressure gauges, and yeah, just everything looks really sharp. Alright, while we're going through the no wake zone here, beautiful downtown Red Wing, take a quick look at the cabin. This is probably a very similar cabin to what you're used to seeing in a boat this size. Kind of unique. It's got a nice U-shaped seating area. There's a place for a porta potty. You have your forward V-berth, and then you actually got a nice little counter space here. A little bit of storage underneath. The stereo head unit is also under there as well. Just a nice setup. All the carpeting is in very nice shape, and all the upholstery in the front and throughout the U-shape is very sharp looking as well. The headliner is all vinyl. You might notice that. Keeps it nice and easy to clean. So overall, a very impressive cabin in this 32 Fever. Alright, well, we're heading through beautiful downtown Red Wing here. The boat does have a nice stereo system. Figured we'd show you that here. You got a remote control, handheld remote that you can simply turn the volume up and down. Probably isn't going to sound great in video, but and again, in video, I'm quite confident this probably doesn't sound as crisp and clean as we'd like it to, but it is a nice sound in stereo in the boat. But like everybody with stereo equipment knows, there's always room to upgrade. So we're just a couple of minutes here from getting to the bridge where we can jump it up on top of the water and take you for a fun little ride. All right, so we are outside the no wake zone and we are ready to go for a ride here. So I tell you what, I've been on a lot of boats, you guys, and people watching these videos. There is something to be said about the offshore hull that Fountain does. I know that the cruiser that we just passed was not necessarily a huge boat, but how smooth this boat is when you go through waves and wakes. It is just, there is no water noise, there's no hull noise, it is just absolutely flawless. I can assure you there is no concerns about ride quality when it comes to a Fountain 32 Fever, and this size range it will certainly impress, I think. We're gonna take it for a spin back up river. We'll go load it on the trailer, and I really hope you enjoy what you've been seeing. I tell you what an amazing running boat. This thing does not skip a beat. On the way down river, we were only running about 30-35 miles an hour, and it was incredibly smooth. The way up river, I think we were running right in that mid to upper 60 range for a quick bit there. The boat will definitely comfortably run in that high 70 range, touching the 80 mark with comfort.
Running low 80s, no problem all day.
Low 80s, no problem all day. So I'm excited. If you have any questions on this boat, again, I'm Zach Pater here at River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport in Red Wing, Minnesota. I appreciate you taking the time to ride along with us today to take a look at this boat, and I'd be glad to show you the boat or answer any questions you may have. Thank you again for watching our video, and have a great day.